why upcoming Grammy winner go come late for interview? What's up from there?
See, we had a Grammy traffic.
Everything is Grammy.
Grammy traffic. You understand? They give Grammy for traffic, so man, I can collect more if I come.
Okay. In fact, I believe we start the talk already. That's right morning. Big Brother Naija winner for this year. They also get new single out, Silence. Yeah, with 2 versions, original version and a piano version.
The piano version.
Okay, the piano version and a piano version.
No, the piano version. Piano and the Silence the highlight.
Silence highlight. Okay, 2 different versions right now. And I believe people don't chop the music already.
They don't chop it.
People they impressed with your
sound. Over 600,000 views on YouTube.
It's not funny. That's major move. That's major move. Now talking about Grammy, a few days ago, we heard conversation of one of your interviews. Say, oh man, I go win the Grammy next year. But before we even reach that Grammy, I want to know right now what money. Before the platform Big Brother Naija, you they do music before you take us serious.
I don't do music.
You don't
I'm a professional musician. Like I do this thing for a living. Back even before I enter, I have live bands. We perform. Just that person never blow.
Never blow. Yeah.
You understand? And I don't release one Happy Christmas song like 2015. Do video for them.
Wow.
They do on YouTube.
I think I come across.
Yeah, that year. I don't drop Rosemary that year. You get so I don't do music. Just that the opportunity, that just like every upcoming artist, you understand. Waiting that they find another opportunity to like. Bring it up. And Big Brother can't give me this thing. Why not go use them? The Coco be say, no be always to get West live voice. Just be on key and pass a message. That's all.
But white money for we say we be your customer that Daniel on top Big Brother Naija. Say we be the things. Okay, by the time you come out like this, saying a cooking business, you go just focus on people. Say okay, you go open white money restaurant. Free of charge. So we dey surprised in our music you can't shoot like.
No, music is just one part of me. I be true. We get too many branches. That's how this guys. People say this kind of Oliver Twist. I want them all. There's too much talent in me for me to just focus on cooking. Cooking is part of it, but music has been something that's to come out. It's the right time now. The right time.
Okay, talking about the Grammy right now, for you to get so much confidence, because the thing that will become now starting for you right now to say you win Grammy next year. What do you feel say you they do or you go do soon when go actually give you that Grammy nomination when go make you be Grammy winner? Because one thing that to become Grammy nominee, the second that to call actually winner, you get what if you say you go do right or you did do right already?
First of all, the right song,
right? Okay,
the people's song.
Okay.
The song for the world, not my song not for one person. My song na world anthem. You understand? And last of all, my brother Grace no juju. Me. White money as well on years on the day. Even say the grace within my body. They smell.
Now, before we go into the details of this Silence now, so who and who we go talk say they shape the kind of music way white money they do.
And the thing be that white money no get who they shape in music. The thing be say I have my own genre of music.
So before you move into the Big Brother white money, just to ask you now, with the I already ask you who and who you they listen to when you say shape you or inspire you to they do the live band when you do at that time. You know tell me say you just wake up one morning and say
no. Yeah. I get them my ancestors, them Flavor, the rest of them, you understand, definitely. Immobilibo, those men.
Guys,
yeah, you understand. But my own kind of music they different. It's KumKum music. KumKum. CUMCUM. You need something different to you, but for me, KumKum.
Because the KumKum.
Yeah, that means cool.
No, not be KumKum.
Cool. United Melodies.
KumKum.
So we feel say you be the front line runner of KumKum music. Or Kukumba music.
Now you it's cool. United Melodies.
Okay.
Yes, and me found them. You understand?
Okay.
See, it's a collection of tunes that could touch your mind and soul. And I get them. And then they follow.
So Silence an example of that type of genre of music right now.
Music. You go hear them now, you go believe. So Massacre don't tap into them already.
Okay.
Tap into them.
Okay.
Celebabo tap into them.
Tap into them. Okay. Massacre producer, Celebabo Misa, then you jump on top the jam.
Fioki come play the guitar.
So moving forward, right now, we know say you go see win Grammy. We'll talk about what will be your next project musically. But it don't be months when you don't win the Big Brother Naija this year season. I just like know right now how far it don't be for you since then waka come reach now, how you don't even manage with your new lifestyle, because when you first people come here you feel man this is nobody hot to you better try one people give you one, you say no keep on first. I hope so that next year it will be. You can imagine person they reject shows but they want pay like millions of naira. So how the lifestyle don't be for you and how you don't the manager, and also you don't touch for the money when they give you.
If I tell you, no go believe, I don't want to collect and save.
You see there with them.
I don't want
to collect. With me, I help you collect them, my brother.
No,
you don't need that.
Every year that wears a crown. Once that money come like this, I don't finish it.
but they don't give you the house though.
My house, my card. I drive my car.
I know say you dey with your drive your car. They're not going to pay you up and down. But the house, you don't stay inside.
I never stay inside, but a day.
Okay, where you stay currently right now?
My house.
Your own personal house.
Yes.
Before Big Brother, when you get before Big Brother, I'll be after Big Brother.
I get house.
Wow.
You know they shout.
So you can't disguise for Big Brother, what man? you can't disguise for Big Brother. It was I don't know you before. I will call you as in say, okay, but they don't give you the house right now. You just the
house there. They just do finishing touches. You understand?
Okay.
Down to my own taste.
But you will move to there certainly very soon.
Inshallah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, now. So, money. Maybe come back to silence now.
Money.
Don't give me that kind of. I never
get that kind of money.
Hey, if I get that kind of money, I will release music.
He never did do all your.
If I get that kind of money, get music gonna release me like this.
Maybe white money. Maybe I don't admit. I don't see to the future. I don't prophesy too.
Amen.
Now praise the word.
Amen. No living for white for now. Money. Music gonna release me every morning.
Oh yeah, so maybe come back to the what do they call them challenge. Yes, you don't start any challenge for Silence yet.
Yes. There's a TikTok challenge going on now on Instagram, TikTok, trailer. 50,000 every week to one lucky person with the highest likes and vote.
Wow.
Then at the end of the challenge, I might give out 500,000 or 1 million naira to one person. I know go talk when it go end. So I go just when it don't the end, I say this week the thing go end but I know go talk about.
So a quick one right now. What will be the hashtag of that challenge for those people who win 50K?
Silence challenge, hashtag Silence challenge. Yeah, you have to follow the Money Gang, the fan page. You have to follow on White Money _, for you to be able to participate. But the Money Gang, the fan page, you have to follow them. That's where all the videos will be posted. Then the main winner every week will be brought to my page. Will be left to my page.
So, wow. Yes. Sorry, white money. I intentionally say that.
Keep prophesying into your future. Yes.
So if you talk say white money now indie artist or you don't get sponsors already.
What you need for the kind of money you don't get? What you want you record label for?
You don't need record label.
No, my sister, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Maybe now Universal Music won't sign them. All those
now God they sponsor me. I'm sponsored by Grace. Yes.
So you only do your thing your own way right now.
I'm sponsored by
but
Grace.
if the opportunity actually presents itself for a record label, maybe for Nigeria or international, you not go grab them because whether you like or not, record label they actually give you this higher level. They go do some pushing when you yourself do.
No cap. Yeah.
But you grab the opportunity.
I'll grab and depend on the label.
Depend on the label when they come.
With the offer and I the B.
Okay. So selling be like your first debut.
This is my first official debut out of problem.
Yes. You've heard the problem before.
Yeah, we get problem before.
So right now, what you would expect? What you would next for White Money?
Back-to-back singles, EP, movies, comedy skits. A lot. But I'm a businessman, you understand? So as I came out, I have to first business to double up my hustle first. Double that money. I don't even want.
Those your business when you do before you enter, you still do it now. Those shops still there.
I still they sell shoes. I still they import they sell.
So which last message now you want to make people old from selling?
If God day, life day. If life day, hope day. If hope day, money go day.
Before we close every how your relationship with your former husband? Yeah, it's okay to call the former husband, right? Yeah. How it be from
fantastic.
Because I remember what you would always say, Peri, when we come outside, you go know say things different. How we better know say you don't be that before you come in, bro. Maybe for position where
Peri na my man.
Yeah, but
all of them come my listening party.
Yeah, I see the whole vibe.
They perform.
But when Queen, how far Queen now? What type of relationship? Where do we stand? You know, say you be talk say you don't know how it go be, but you dey open. So the door don't close.
Queen day for where queens the day.
Queens day.
She's a queen now. She's where queens are.
Because I don't say the hot, right? I know so many women when be like, man, white money on your matter, your game they full normally.
No time. That's why don't get money now. Lying on her stand up. Face your money.
The president of KumKum.
No cucumber music.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, sharp right now. If they ask you, say, waiting be that thing, you go like steadily pass through your music because whether you like or not, music na message. And over times, few artists don't feel really give us music when it carry a lot of message. You get, in as much as we like big beat, we just obviously we listen to one of your song. You go change our mind or change our perspective. Waiting be that thing you expect us to look out for. Not this and maybe the upcoming ones then.
Whenever I listen to my sound, it's going to resonate with your soul. My music passes a message to the street. I'm a street boy. My music is for the people, not for one person, not for one culture. So trust me when I say that when you listen to White Money, I created my own path and this is who I am. My name is White Money, aka Gold Money. I was a Purinyego one of the Amani Kingdom, Enugu State. I am who I am. I am the man of my own path, and now God got me. Grace, love juju.
At all. So, e-money stroke White Money.
No worry.
Maybe they look forward to any future collaboration soon.
Yeah, I don't say don't relate to so many artists. Yeah. So collab go day.
Yes, definitely. I'm going to collaborate with a lot of people. I'm going to collaborate with a lot of people, but I can't mention their names because a lot of people.
Now, without you know one mention name, more day precise. The season of Rura before you get artists. The season before you also get that, like the past 2 seasons. Don't get artists. FA to Lecon and now to you.
Yes.
When I able get existing friendship.
Yes.
Who you don't relate to since you come as my house?
I met Efe.
Okay.
I don't know. I've not had an opportunity
to meet her. What about Lecon?
Yeah, I've met Lecon like twice or once per se.
But any future work actually like una feel possibility to say you and Lecon will work.
They wait me come back for me.
He travel right? US store. Okay.
When they don't come up for in that US store, then I go meet her
Mona reason. Okay, I'm going to watch out for that collab with them. Certainly.
All right, thank you so much. E-money / White Money / Grace. Grace President / KumKum.
No, the originator of KumKum music, aka Cucumber music. I know the women they like Cucumber.
You don't go give me this thing.
I know the women they like Cucumber. And if I say White Money, you know they say that gra in be. So that gra Cucumber, you don't forget.
No, I got revenge.
All right, maybe sign out with White Money's
new
song.
It's available everywhere right now on this platform.
Every day for witchcraft cover, you can download it there.
Man, more blessing to you, brother.
Thanks, my man.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.